In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles on Podia. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare your subtitle file, attach it to your video lesson, and make sure your students can turn captions on with a single click. First, you'll need a subtitle file in the WebVTT format, which uses the .vtt extension. This is the only format Podia accepts for captions. A VTT file is a plain text file that contains time codes and the lines of text you want to appear on screen. Make sure it's properly synced to your video's timing, saved with the .vtt extension, and encoded in UTF-8 so special characters display correctly. Clear punctuation and line breaks help readability, and short two-line cues generally look best. If you're creating subtitles in more than one language, save a separate VTT file for each language and name them clearly so you can tell them apart at upload time. Next, head into your Podia dashboard and open your course. Go to Products, then select Edit on the course that contains the video you want to caption. Inside the course editor, click on the specific lesson that holds your video. Make sure your video is already uploaded to that lesson, since you'll be attaching the subtitle file directly to it. Inside the video lesson editor, look for the option to upload captions or subtitles. The wording may say Upload Captions, Upload Subtitles, or just Captions. Click to upload your .vtt file from your computer. If you have multiple languages, repeat the upload process for each file so your learners can choose the one they prefer. Keep an eye on the language labels so the menu makes sense to your students. After the file finishes uploading, save your changes. This step is easy to overlook, but it's crucial. Saving or updating the lesson is what actually attaches the subtitle file to the video. Without saving, the captions won't be available in the player. Once that's done, your students will see a CC button on the video player. They can click it to turn subtitles on and off, and if you uploaded more than one language, they'll be able to select their preferred option from the captions menu. If anything doesn't look right, double-check that the file extension is VTT. The time codes are valid, and there aren't stray characters or formatting errors. That's it. You've prepared a proper VTT file, uploaded it to your video lesson, saved your changes, and enabled the CC button for your audience. Your content is now more accessible, more inclusive, and easier for learners to follow.